Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to start with chapter 6, Expert Detectives. Here we have Nishad and Maya, two siblings who are very curious about their neighbor, Mr. Nath. Why? Let's see. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale, and his 10-year-old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day, the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scarred? Why has he no friends? So, Nishad and Maya have a neighbor called Mr. Nath. One day when they were playing outside, their marble rolled into Mr. Nath's room. So Nishad went inside to get the marble. And when he saw Mr. Nath, a lot of questions arose in his mind. Like, why does he live alone? Why does he have no friends? Why does he have a huge scar on his face? So the first thought that they have is maybe he is a criminal, a crook who is running from the police. So they want to find out more about him. Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite, and their mother is a doctor, and Mr. Nath happens to be his patient. And according to their mother, he is a very polite man. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. Nishad looked doubtful. Of course he is 1'7". 7 is the pet name for Nishad. I said, and he certainly isn't starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere. So how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad said. So one day, Nishad and Maya were coming back from their mother's clinic. And on the way, they were talking about Mr. Nath. So Maya must have said that he is a criminal who is running from the police. So Nishad says that no, I don't think that is possible. He doesn't look like a criminal. He is very thin, very weak. So Maya says that he is definitely not starving, because Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings him food every day from the restaurant. So now Nishad has another question, that he doesn't work anywhere. So how come he has money to buy food every day? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels. What rubbish, Nishad interrupted. I know I am right, stupid, I told him. By the way, 7, did you see his scars? I couldn't. It was too dark. But I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. So, they are talking about Mr. Nath, and Nishad says that if he doesn't work, then how does he have money to pay for food? So Maya says that that's exactly my point. Maybe he has a lot of money hidden in his room, in a small trunk in his room, and he has lot of gold and silver and jewels. And he is hiding it in his room. That is why maybe he doesn't allow anyone into his room. Right? So Nishad thinks about this for a while. Then Maya says that, did you see his scar? I am sure that he has got that scar while a shootout with police. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars, Nishad said firmly. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. 7 looked unsure. So when Maya said that maybe he got those scars because of shootout with police, so Nishad says that no, Mummy told us very clearly that those scars are burn scars. So Maya says that maybe he was hiding in his house and police wanted to bring him out, so they set his house on fire. Nishad did not quite take this properly. He was not sure about this. So over here, children, you have to remember that these children are making all this up in their minds. They have no proof, they have no idea whether this is true or not. So these are some of the few things that these children have discussed together in order to find out more about Mr. Nath. Now what happens next, we shall see in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.